Traveling back through time tayo mga ka-treasure. So we're currently here in Alabang Festival Mall and we purchased these two sets of Pokemon card Obsidian Flame. So may pa-preview pa si Toys R Us na Good Day and hindi ko yan natikman. Binigay ko sa kapatid kong kasama natin today. Shout out to you, my sister. So ayan, well, I just saw in YouTube kasi na may mga bagong variant daw ng Pokemon card. So, try to check it out. Baka makaswerte tayo ng rare pulls like a Charizard. So, as you can see, medyo nahirapan akong magbukas ng packs. Kasi wala akong dalang gunting. And manually yung ako nagbubukas. Kaya, ayan, natatagalan talaga ako. Pero, ayan, currently, the first one is Rip Open. The first set is currently out. And we are also opening the second one right now. So just bear with me, medyo matagal to. Pero ayun nga, traveling back through time noon, I really have lots of these cards na binibili namin after school. Minsan kinukonsyaba ko pa nga yung mga kapatid ko na wag na kayong kumain, bumili lang tayo ng cards. Though ayun, naitapon lang din pagtagal ng panahon. Then I just want to try again. Malay nyo naman, makakuha tayo. So, first cards are common. Ayun, ang cute nitong kulay blue. So, nagreklamo nga pa yung kapatid ko dito, baliktad daw. So, baliktarin natin. So, ayan, set of commons are still being pulled. Currently, wala pa ring rare hit. So, itong cute nitong kulay blue. Oy, ito. One pull for the day. Then, followed by energy. Add card, commons. So, sunod-sunod naman yung common natin. Solrock. Dug Trio, sorry. So, ayun, second pull. Larvitar art card. And wow, this is the main hit of the day. Tyranitar EX. So, 2-pack magic tayo mga ka-treasure. So, as you can see, we get 3 hits in 2-pack magic episode. So, napaka-solid. First try after so many years. Larvitar, ang unang pull, followed by Puppy Trainer card, and our main hit, Tyranitar EX.